All right, you guys are really going to try to get me in trouble this time, and people already think I'm a little crazy as it is. Okay, Dave, we know you love your conspiracy theories. Are there some, theories out there, conspiracy theories you just don't believe in? Yeah, so I'm not too sure about the whole Paul McCartney being replaced, like by a doppelganger when, back, I guess, it was the 70s, I guess it was. Apparently there was a car accident in which Paul died, and there's all of these things when Sergeant Pepper says that he died, and then, blah, blah, blah. And then now the person that is representing, who was supposed to be Paul McCartney, is actually a lookalike. They had a contest, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. It's entertaining, but I just don't know if I believe it. The second one is I'm not really sure about is that Taylor Swift is a clone of Anton Levey. He was the one that started the Church of Satan as his daughter's clone. Not really too sure if I believe that one either. Yeah, there's a resemblance, but a lot of people look like each other, so that one's a hard one. And the one which I probably get the most in trouble for is I'm just not behind global warming. I don't know. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. And I know people already thought like I was crazy about the flat Earth, of which we presented stuff about the flat Earth stuff. But I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me. And it seems like we go through a whole bunch of ice ages and stuff, and then I don't know. I'm just not behind global warming.